If you're a female entrepreneur who's exhausted, overwhelmed, and secretly wondering why you can't keep up anymore, just pause for a second. What you're experiencing isn't a motivation problem. It's your nervous system responding to chronic stress. And today I'm going to show you why burnout in business is not your fault. If you're new around here, then welcome. I'm Ailish and I help burnt out female entrepreneurs to build businesses and lives that light them up, not burn them out. I use neuroscience with holistic business strategy to help support your energy, your success in your life, so you can experience a happier you, a business that brings in more profit, and a life that feels good again. Here's the part that nobody really talks about. Most business advice was created in a system that rewards linear energy. Now, this is wake up, push hard, stay focused all day, and then repeat. And it's built around consistency, constant output, and working the same way every single day. And for a long time, I thought that if I just became more disciplined, more organized, more productive, I'd finally feel better. What I didn't understand was that a woman's nervous system and hormonal rhythms don't operate on a straight line. We're cyclical. Our energy, our focus, our creativity, and stress tolerance naturally fluctuate. And when you ignore that and force yourself into a constant go mode, your nervous system eventually hits a breaking point. Now, that can look like brain fog, loss of motivation, waking up already feeling exhausted, even if you've had a good night's sleep, and feeling disconnected from a business that you once loved. I remember thinking, what is wrong with me? Why can't I just do what everyone else is seeming to manage to do really easily? But the thing is, nothing was wrong with me. My body was responding exactly the way it was designed to, by slowing me down when the pace became unsustainable and I was burning out. Now, to really understand burnout, we have to start with one simple truth. Your brain doesn't care about success, it cares about safety. And your brain's number one job is to keep you alive. And it does that by constantly scanning your environment for threat. Now, the problem is modern business creates constant low-level stress, the deadlines, the pressure to be visible constantly, financial responsibility, being on all the time, and your brain registers that ongoing pressure as danger. So when stress doesn't switch off, a part of your brain called the amygdala, which is your internal alarm system, stays activated. And this system was designed for short-term threats like running away from a tiger, but it was never meant to be switched on all day, every day. So when your amygdala stays active, your brain releases stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. And in the short term, that can actually help you to push through. So you feel focused, you feel driven, you feel productive. If you're in launch mode, this is really great. But over time, this constant stress chemistry starts to really drain your system. Now your sleep becomes disrupted, your body feels tense, the anxiety increases, and eventually this exhaustion sets in. And it's the kind of exhaustion that rest alone just won't fix. So here's the part most people don't realize. When your brain is in survival mode, your thinking, which is where your prefrontal cortex comes in, starts to go offline. And this is the part of the brain that's responsible for creativity, for strategic thinking, decision-making, and emotional regulation. So when it's suppressed, things that used to feel easy suddenly feel impossible. You might experience brain fog, struggle to make decisions, lose motivation, or feel really stuck and disconnected from your work and like looping all the time. And this is why telling yourself just to focus or be more disciplined simply doesn't work. You're trying to access higher level of thinking while your nervous system is in this protection mode. And this tends to impact women even more. Now, many women carry a higher mental and emotional load in business, in relationships, in life, and hormonal fluctuations also affect how the nervous system processes stress. So when business systems demand constant output, many women stay in this stress physiology for too long. And it's until the body steps in and then it forces it just to shut down. Now, this shutdown is what we call burnout. It isn't your body failing you. This is your nervous system just pulling that emergency brake. Fatigue is slowing your body down. The loss of motivation is actually energy conservation. And that disconnection is your system just reducing the overload. So your body isn't working against you. It's just trying to restore safety. And this is why burnout isn't solved by doing more, by pushing harder or fixing your mindset. It's resolved by helping your nervous system to feel safe again in your body and how you run your business. So if you've been blaming yourself for feeling tired, for feeling unmotivated, for feeling disconnected from your business, I want you to hear this really clearly. Burnout is not a personal failure. It's not a lack of discipline, and it's not because you're not cut out for business. Burnout is a signal. It's your nervous system's way of asking for a different way of operating. And the good news is, when you respond to that signal correctly, everything begins to shift. So instead of forcing yourself to push harder, the work becomes about creating safety in your body and your business. And that starts with how you treat yourself. So when your nervous system feels supported, then your clarity starts to return, your decision making gets easier, and your creativity comes back online. And success stops feeling like something that you just have to survive. This is why the work I do always begins with the woman, not the strategy. Start by helping your nervous system regulate and recover through your thoughts, your habits, your energy, and your boundaries. And then we look at your business and we simplify it. We strip away the noise, the pressure, the constant shoulds, and we rebuild it in a way that supports your energy, not drains it. And then finally, we protect your most valuable resources, your time, your energy, and your sense of joy. Because when there's space for rest and fun and life, business just flows differently. This isn't about doing less because you're incapable. This is about doing things differently because you're wise. If this video resonated with you and you're ready to build a business that feels calm and sustainable and genuinely fulfilling, I've shared ways to start doing that below. Now, there's no rushing, there's no pressure, just support for where you are right now. And remember this, exhaustion is not the cost of success. You get to build a business and life that lights you up, not burns you out. And I would love to help you do that. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe because it really supports my channel. And I will see you on the next video. Thanks. Bye.